We are going back here to this guy right here. Okay. Alrighty, so send this here. Okay, so we're going to focus right here, right now, on this one. 3 over 1 plus x. And we want to say, what is the series that it comes from? What is the series that it comes from? So we got to go backwards. So I'm going to put up in blue the big thing, which is the sum of a series. If you have a sum of a geometric series, right? If you have a sum of a geometric series, that sum looks like A over 1 minus R. And I'm going to highlight the fact that you have an 1 in here. Because your goal is to make this look like this with a 1. Because if you do, then you can pull off your R value and you can pull off your A value. Do you see what I'm saying here? Okay, who hasn't got to talk yet? William. Okay, now we haven't talked about this, so this is really, stretching our brain here. But looking at this and looking at this, do you think you want to guess for me and tell me what A and R are? Yeah, what's my A value for this function? A is 3. Perfect. And what would my R be? It is, absolutely. A is 3, R is negative x. Easy peasy, right? Was that easy? That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Okay, good. So now's the tricky part. Well, not really. Let's write this out. Alex, do you want to help me with this one? What is my first term in this series? If I'm writing it out.
It's 3.
It's 3. Thank you much. Thank you much. What's my second term? 3 times negative x. Good. What's my third term? 3 times negative x squared. Okay, good. Good. So easy. Is it not easy? Did I not tell you you guys are going to have this done in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes? Can you give me the sum? Do you want to give me the sum?
I actually have more of a question.
Okay, ask me a question. Good.
So how did you get, so is that number in the numerator always going to be your A?
Once you get it, it will always be your A so long as you have a 1 here, right? You have to have that magic 1. That 1 never changes. A and R can change in my problem, but that 1 has to be present. So as long as you have a 1, yes, then the top can be A and the bottom can be R. Yeah, Megan.
For like our homework and on tests, will there always be like a 1?
Nope. So we're going to do a problem where it's not always a 1. Okay, we're going to do it where it's not always a 1. All right. But, okay, other questions. Alex, do you want to give me this? Do you want to try? Or
The sum, yeah.
Yeah, okay, give me the sum. The infinite sigma notation. Here we go.
So 3 times negative x to the n.
Where am I starting? N equals?
N equals 0.
Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. How many of you guys got that? Nice. Good job. Are we ready for the next problem? Okay, here you go. Express 5 over 4 plus 3x as the sum of a power series and find the interval of convergence. Oh, was I supposed to find the interval of convergence on the last one or just find the series? Oh, I didn't find the interval of convergence on that last one. Sorry, I jumped ahead. But you guys know how to find an interval of convergence, by the way. All you have to do is say absolute value of r is less than 1, absolute value of minus x is less than 1, absolute value of minus x is the same as positive x. So all you'd have to do is say your interval of convergence is this one. We've done so many of those today that I'm just going to skip that, but alrighty. But this is the problem I want you to get for me. Express 5 over 4 plus 3x as the sum of the power series. Okay, Megan, we don't have a 1, do we?
No, so
Okay. So how do we get a 1 there? Ideas. Who's got ideas? Nate, what are you thinking? Wait, hang on, you talked. Chris never talked. What is your idea? Divide the top and the bottom by 4. I like that. Was that what you were thinking, Nate? Or multiply by 4, top and bottom. Divide the top and the bottom by 4. if I divide the top by 4 and the bottom by 4, that 4 over 4 is going to create and make a 1. Very nice. Let's do that. All right, so we've got 5 over 4 plus 3x, and we're going to change it just like Chris told us to, and Nate agreed. Whoa, Tina, you've got a big mess here. Okay. Try this one more time. So you're going to divide the top and bottom by 4. So we've got 5 divided by 4 over 4 plus 3x divided by 4. Why can I do that? Because that's like dividing by 1 or multiplying by 1, right? So as long as I do it to the top of my fraction and the bottom of my fraction, multiplication or division, not adding and subtracting, multiply or divide only, as long as I do it to my numerator and denominator, my equation, my expression stays the same. So when I do that, that gives me 5/4 over 1 plus 3/4 x. Beautiful. Who didn't get to talk? Brandon, you did not talk to me today yet. You want to talk to me and tell me what A and R are? A is 5/4. R is negative 3/4 x. Perfect. Ha. Interval of convergence and the sum. Write it down. Interval of convergence and the sum. Challenge yourselves. What does that sum look like? What does the interval of convergence look like? What does that sum? I'll tell you what. If we get this and we finish this, you guys are out of here 5 minutes early today. Well, I'm going to be so nice to you. We'll just do Taylor and McLaurin on Friday. Anything we don't catch, we might start it a little bit tomorrow. I might do a little bit in recitation tomorrow. The definition and have you apply definition possibly. Okay, so here we get. Who wants to help me out here? Are you guys still working? Everybody still working? Cool. Alex has it. Hang on a second. Let me see. Paul, did you get this one by any chance? Because you haven't talked yet to me. Did you get this here? The sum? You want to tell me?
I got the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of 5 and then parentheses 3x at the end. And then all that over 4.
Hang on. Almost. Oh, maybe. Wait. Slow me down. Yep. Hang on. Let's make sure. 5/4 has to be outside, right? And what's inside is going to be this. Perfect. Do you see why? Yes. Beautiful. Did you get me an interval of convergence? Did anybody get me? Dan, you haven't talked to me yet. You have an interval of convergence by any chance? Just asking. You got one for me? No, no worries. I'm sorry. That's okay. I know you guys are working another problem. That's okay. Who's got an interval of convergence for me? Queen, did you talk to me yet today? I don't know if you did. You want to give me an interval of convergence?
I got negative 4 over 3.
Did you guys all get this? Anybody have any questions?